Do you come home every day feeling like your back is on fire and your legs are screaming for relief? I used to drag myself through the door, dreading another sleepless night because of chronic tension and stress. That all changed when I discovered the Alfine A710 Pro massage chair, and honestly, it's been a complete game changer for my daily routine. What sets this chair apart is the incredible 4D massage technology combined with that amazing SL track system. Unlike those basic massage chairs that just vibrate, this one actually mimics human hands with four-dimensional movements that adjust depth, speed, and rhythm. The rollers follow your spine's natural curve from your neck all the way down to your glutes, hitting every single pressure point perfectly. The zero-gravity positioning is absolutely brilliant. When you recline, it elevates your legs above your heart level, which instantly takes pressure off your spine and improves blood circulation. I literally feel weightless, and the stress just melts away within minutes. The built-in heating function adds another layer of luxury, warming up those tight muscles before the massage even begins. Here's something really cool: the health detection feature actually scans your body and customizes the massage based on your specific needs. It's like having a personal masseuse who knows exactly where you need the most attention. Plus, you can control everything through the smartphone app, which means you can start your massage session before you even sit down. The electric Calfrest extension is perfect for taller people, and even if you're average height like me, having that extra leg support makes the experience so much more comfortable. Thousands of buyers have rated this chair as their best home investment, and I completely understand why. The shiatsu massage techniques target those deep knots that regular chairs can't reach. What really impressed me is how this chair has helped my sleep quality improve dramatically. Instead of tossing and turning because of back pain, I now use it for 20 minutes before bed, and I'm out like a light. My partner even jokes that I love this chair more than our couch now, and honestly, they're not wrong. For the price point, you're getting professional-grade massage therapy right in your living room. When you consider how much regular massage appointments cost, this chair practically pays for itself. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal. Trust me, your body will thank you for this investment.